How to change YouTube profile picture on mobile. So go to YouTube, go to the bottom right hand corner where it says you to bring you to your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, and go ahead and click the profile picture at the top left hand corner here. And then go ahead and hit the edit button, which is right next to the manage videos button there. And then go ahead to the very top where you see your profile banner, but it also shows you your profile picture. So go ahead and click the camera. You could take a photo or choose a photo from your photos. So I'm just going to do that, and I'm just going to pick some random photo here, I guess. And it will download if you're on iCloud. And then you just choose what you want to show in the actual picture. Go ahead and hit save. And then that is it. It will take a little bit of time to update, and that's how you would change your profile picture on